Hello guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Hope you're all doing good. It depends on where you are and what time you are watching my video. So, my good name is Melvin Itei, an African Kenyan lady living in Kenya, Nairobi. So, hope you enjoy watching this video. On today's video, we are going to learn on how to make black-eyed peas fritters. We are going to learn on how to make black-eyed peas fritters. So first of all, we are going to soak the black-eyed peas. We are going to soak the black-eyed peas. So I'm going to wash the peas before I soak. Then I'm going to soak the whole day because I soak it from morning like 8 or 7 up to evening at 4. So I wash, then I soak the peas first. This is how I usually do. I wash, then I soak first. So after I've soaked for for something like 6 hours, I'm going to wash again, to rinse, to wash, to make sure everything is clean. They are very, very clean. I'm going to rinse and remove water from it because I don't need that water. So I'll make sure I wash them clean. As you can see, I'm washing very nice. So they are very, very clean. I don't want to eat something bad, maybe something dirty. No, you're supposed to eat clean food. So that's how I usually wash them, the peas. So I wash, I remove the excess water in them. I wash, I remove the excess water because I don't need the excess water. So I'm going to wash very well. So then I'm going to use onion. So I'm going to cut onion. This is green chilies. I'll put onion, green chilies, garlic, I'm going to green chilies, garlic, onion. To remove the taste of the peas, so we have to use all of this one. So as you can see, my onion, I put onion, green chilies, then I'm going to add in 3 eggs. I'm going to add in 3 eggs. As you can see, add in the 3 eggs. Then onion, then I'll start blending. As you can see, I'm blending the peas. As you can see, I'm blending the peas. I have to blend everything so that it is soft. Hope you're going to enjoy the video. Hope you're going to enjoy the video. As you can see, I'm blending to make sure everything is soft. That is the end result of after blending. After blending, that is the end results. As you can see, it look nice. I forgot to film when I added some baking powder. I forgot to fill because I want it to be like fluffy and to be not to have those like something like fluffy. So I added in baking powder. Now, as you can see, that is what I have. So I'll start frying. I start molding into small balls. Then I fry them. As you can see, I'm molding. Then I'll fry them in a hot, but not that hot. The oil should not be hot, and it should not be cold. It should be like medium. It should be medium, not hot, not cold. It should be that medium so that our fritters are cooked inside. You know, when the oil is hot, the fritters will cook very fast, and you will come out to find that the fritters are not cooked inside. So for the fritters to cook inside, we have to cook on a medium fire or on a medium heat. So hope you are seeing what I'm doing. You mold it into small balls for easy cooking, for them to cook very fast and easy and be cooked nicely. Don't mind what is there on the plate. Don't mind the things and the other things that are there. Just concentrate on the video, on the fritters, okay? On the black-eyed fritters. As you can see, we are cooking. I'm enjoying cooking. I like cooking, so hope you too are going to enjoy the video. And I hope it's going to help someone. As you can see, that is it. So I'm going to start turning to make sure both sides are cooked. I'll start turning to make sure both sides are cooked and my fritters are cooked nicely. As you can see, they are cooking and everything is nice. So there, I'll continue turning to make sure they are cooked. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And hope everything goes well. Hope you're going to enjoy the video. As you can see, that is my fritters. My black-eyed peas fritters are cooked. As you can see, they are nice. So delicious. They look very, very nice. You can eat like snacks. They are snacks. In Swahili, we call them bahjia. Bahjia. This is Swahili bahjia. Please like, share, and comment. That is it. As you can see, they are nice there. You can eat with either tea or coffee, or maybe you can have your soft drink, then you enjoy the fritters with the soft drink. Hope this video is going to help someone there who maybe wants to know how to cook the black-eyed peas. Hope it's going to help someone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching up to this part. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Like, share, and comment. Let's meet on the comment section.